Check this out. Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make squid ambot tik. Squid ambot tik means sour and spicy. This curry should have sour and spicy flavor. So I'm going to show with the squids. The squid I've already cut. You can watch my video. I will add a link in the description box how to clean the squid. In other video, I have already shown stuffed squid video. You can check it out. And this I have cut in thick half-inch rings. Also, I have taken tamarind, which is a size of a lemon ball, soaked in warm water and kept it on the side. For this, I will require only the pulp. Tomato, which is 1 each chopped and kept, and I have onion chopped and kept, which is 2 medium size. Then I have vinegar, which is 1 teaspoon. In this plate, I have garlic, 10 clove of garlic peeled and kept, ginger, which is 1 inch. Then I have kokum, 5 each of cloves, 1 inch of cinnamon, and then I have cumin, which is 1 teaspoon. Then I have black peppercorn, which is 15 to 18 black peppercorn, and then I have Kashmiri red chillies. This don't give you spiciness. This gives only the color. And then I have turmeric powder, which is half a teaspoon. So let's start with the cooking process now. Before we start with the cooking process, I need to blend all the ingredients to make a paste. Chilies, all these ingredients which are in the plate, adding water to a fine paste. I will remove the stems. So now I've removed this. Except this kokum, we will blend all the other ingredients to make to a fine paste. Guys, this squid you need to apply salt at least prior to 20 minutes or half an hour before we start preparing this dish. So let's start with the cooking process now before we'll get all the ingredients to a fine paste. Guys, my pan is hot now. In order to saute the onion to make ambot tik, I will add oil. Saute the onion. In between, you need to stir it so it doesn't get burned at the bottom, and also it is cooked evenly. This onion is ready now. Now I will add tomatoes. Tomato I will saute till it becomes soft, at least 4 to 5 minutes. Now since tomatoes are ready, I will add green chili. Now I will add the masala. I will pass some water in this. Now I will add the tamarind pulp and vinegar. We'll keep this on simmer. Let it simmer for a while on a slow range. So friends, check this out. This is already simmering now. It's on slow flame. Now I will add squids to this. Squids, I forgot to mention, I have taken 750 grams of squid. Let this now I will add also 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix this properly. And let this cook for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Guys, check this out. It's already started to simmer now. Now I will add kokum to this. We will cover this and keep and let it cook for at least 10 minutes from now. 10 to 12 minutes. Guys, check this out. Check the color. As because of the steam, my camera is not catching the color properly, but this is red in color. This is a nice red color. And check the thickness. This is how it should be. And also check the seasoning according as per your taste. I have tested it. This is perfect. If you want more sugar or more salt, you can adjust it now. And this is ready now. I will turn off the flame, and this is ready to serve now. Guys, check this out. You can check the color now. Guys, check out my recipe. Do watch the video carefully, and you can get this better at home. Please do share and subscribe my channel, and also tell your friends and family as well to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell which is there on top, so you get every time I upload a video, you will get it notified. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you all.